Hi, Philippe Van Ameyde. I'm Managing Director of T3 Technical Display out of London. I just want to introduce you to some of the profiles that we have here at T3 Systems. This was the original profile, which is called Airframe. So this was originally designed to take Velcro or magnetic graphics. And then once the SCG world came up, we had the channel tube created. And as you can see, we've got the grooves around the tube. What that allows us to do is slide in the different extrusions to create the SCG track. We also have the deco range, so we can powder coat any of the tubes in any of the colors that you like. Over here we have different angles, so we can do any angle up to 70 degrees, and these are custom made to order. This profile here is created for light boxes, so it creates the depth required, so the LEDs would sit in this track, and it means that the light can bleed all the way up to the edges of the graphic and create no light spots and a really clean light box solution. This is our sample kit, so we just demonstrate how the SCG track works. So as we alluded to earlier, we've got the connector here, the SCG track, and then we have a simple infill to finish the track. And then the silicon edge goes in like so. It's incredibly easy. You get the tension that you need and a really nice clean finish on the graphic. We also have an extrusion here that allows for a nice clean corner. And that works in the same principle with the SCG. There you go. In this indication, we have it in black. This is ideal for the retail market. So this is the T3 light box range that we've got. So it's the same profile that we were explaining earlier. Tube sits here with a deeper profile on it, so the LEDs can reach the side. And what we're trying to sell here is that it's more than just a light box. It's not your standard 2x1. We can do cutouts, we can do angles, we can create different shapes. So there really is no limit to the light box range. The SCG track is very similar to what we mentioned earlier, and the LEDs sit on the inside of the frame here. So this is our T3 Wandlite range. We can do custom sizes, any shape that you like. And what's really neat is it's IP65, so it's entirely waterproof, and it's unbreakable. There you go. So for stand builders, people that are used to being a bit rough with the products, they don't have to worry about damaging the profile. What's really great is you can daisy chain the lights together, so you can illuminate large structures using very little draw on the electricity. And create a really nice lighting. Because it's 360 degrees, you can have double-sided light boxes without having to have double the amount of light.